Hey everybody, this is Danny. This is from my other two vlogs, and today I'm just being random and I'm gonna show you my family. Yes, this is Cat.
Have a hangnail.
So say hi to YouTube.
No, that's
Copying James.
James. Yeah, that's James. Sorry. Thought that was funny.
And this is Mama.
Hello.
Wow.
Hey everyone.
So corny.
Okay. Hi.
Okay.
Better?
No. The first one was better.
Yeah.
You know you're still recording, right?
Yeah. Ow, that hurts so
Okay, test is
much.
over.
This ain't a test, Mama.
Get it back over there to her.
Oh, my screen went off. Hold on.
Well, come on, Kat. Say something. Come on.
Alright,
You
well,
can do better than that.
Bacon, the main reason you were not a vegetarian?
yeah, that's, well, I mean, seriously. Anyway, alright guys, like, I just rearranged everything in the room. I got the speaker set up different, and I placed everything differently, and then just pushed it all, basically organized it all, but yeah, make it look good. And again, this is not permanent, this is just temporary.
Back to her. Come on, Kat. No, show them the kitty cat phone.
Kitty cat phone.
So, it's my case.
Yes.
$5 on eBay.
eBay.
Damn, I can't hold it with just one hand.
Why not?
You probably
Because
won't.
it's shaky.
You probably won't get a lot of views on this one.
Probably won't.
And this is me.
You can't just do something else. You've been on camera before. Come on, Kat.
This is me. Girl.
Yeah. Let me have the camera.
Well, this is better. It's not as shaky. Okay, well,
Cat players.
come up on a minute 30. So, this is where I'm going to end the vlog. And thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, because it really helps me out. I'm trying to make money off of YouTube right now. It really helps us out. So, thank you. And like and comment and subscribe, please. Thank you. And bye-bye. Oh, Mama, Cat.